What's going on? I'm Charles Dexter Quartey from charlesdquartey.com, and this is day number. I started last Thursday. It's been a week on Wednesday. This is day number 9. Wow, I'm losing track. Yeah, so yesterday I ended my video saying that when I finish uploading that video, I would continue with the JavaScript and start on the ES6 for a change, give myself a break from the basic JavaScript. And what actually happened afterwards, well, that didn't happen. I'll show you what happened. Yeah, taking my break, just doing a stir fry. The time right now is, if I'm to check, midnight, Friday morning. Yeah. Eating late. Well, still have to eat. So yesterday, or actually this early this morning, after midnight yesterday, I was cooking. Yeah. It happened that I was waiting for my video to upload, and it's taking a long while, and then it's taking so long that I was saying it's too late, I haven't eaten, so I had to go to the kitchen and get some food together, you know. As you saw in that clip there, I had some stir-fried chicken stir fry. And coming back to my challenge, so Friday, I've been out the day. I went out, saw some friends, and we chilled out and that. And differently, I come back home and I got started late. If I'm to look at the time now, it is 5 to 12. So it's nearly Saturday morning. And I've done an hour and 20 minutes of the basic JavaScript. So what I'm gonna do now is go on to the ES6 like I said, and continue that tonight, as tomorrow Saturday and I'm not working for anybody, so the time that I'll go to sleep tonight ain't really anybody business but my own. Yeah. So that's the plan. So the last clip you just saw when I'm cooking the food, that was like 24 hours ago. Now the time is 20 past 12, Saturday morning, the 17th of August 2019. So I'll show you, so far I've reached 171 points on the free code camp website. And for the requirements of the bootcamp I'm trying to enter, I'm supposed to reach 250. So I'm not that far off. If we to look at the JavaScript section, the basic JavaScript, I pushed a little further on than I was yesterday. You see all those green ticks? I'm still scrolling down. Yeah. So what is left? Oh, can just about fit on one page. Let me see. Yes. Okay, 1 unit off. So basically I can see it all on one page. It shouldn't take me that long. Tops maybe 2 hours. So now I'm gonna start on the ES6 just to show you that I haven't attempted any of it yet. You see all the circles have no green ticks on them. So now I'm gonna start with my first one, explore the differences between far and let keywords. So before I start the ES6 training, I just want to mention it's a Friday night. Most people are out there partying. They're in the pub, they're in the club, they're at their friend's house, they're drinking, smoking, doing whatever they do to enjoy themselves. You know, it's a weekend now, a break from the 9 to 5, you know. Unless they got family, look after the kids, or they got work early in the morning, which then they can't do that. Or unless they're alone, which, by the way, I'm kind of having fun myself, different from the usual coding and coffee. I got coding and alky. It's got the clear stuff there. Well, I'm a man that don't usually drink too. I don't usually drink a lot, just occasionally, and like now it's an occasion. I'm working hard. I need a break. Yeah. And by the way, ladies, if you're watching this, I'm currently single. But that ain't important here. Let's get back to the coding. Yeah? Alright, cool. Okay, what I want to do right now is show you this. I'm stuck. The ES6 is something I'm not too familiar with, and I've been doing alright with the challenges so far, but now it's got me to work on higher order arrow functions, and arrow functions is something I am not that familiar with. So what I've been doing with this free code camp, where I'll have some trouble, they've got this button here, get a hint. So you go to get a hint, and they'll give you maybe some theory or whatever to like be able to tackle the challenge. But I'm checking this out, and with the hint, first they give you like this example is hint one. You need to filter empty parenthesis the real number array for positive integers, and then they give you a chance to solve the problem. And if you haven't solved the problem by using that one hint, they give you a second hint, and they tell you what move to make next. And if you still haven't solved the problem by the second hint, there's a third hint. And if you still haven't solved it by them, they got, like they say, spoiler alert, they give you a solution for the code. And the reason why I'm recording this right now is because the stage I'm at, boy, I wouldn't have worked this out at all. All this code here to like be able to complete this challenge. So I'm gonna use this solution to pass this certain unit, and well, in the future I know something I gotta work on. So you seeing me right now, originally I had the screenshot screencast of my progress, and it was supposed to be at this section of this video, but I had to edit it out because the sound quality was really bad. So basically I just tell you what was in it. It was me showing what challenge that I've reached up to on the ES6, and explaining about how I tried to attempt a little bit more because it is getting a bit difficult having to always refer to the hints. And I plan to return back to the basic JavaScript. The time now is 2 a.m. Saturday morning, and I've tried to tackle my first challenge on the basic JavaScript since I come back. And again, I had to go to the hint button and use one of their solutions to be able to complete this challenge. It's either this is getting way harder than I expected, or I am tired. Yeah, I've rather used the excuse as tired, but now I admit it. I'm showing you right now that this right now I'm exposing my weaknesses, you know. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night, because looking at tomorrow weekend, I want to be able to finish both the basic JavaScript and the ES6 by the end of this weekend. So So returning to this book I introduced yesterday, or in my last video I should say, as it's Saturday now. There is a section in this book I want to show you. It is under the future of JavaScript section, and this one, use ES6 today. It starts on page 64 to 65, so 5 pages worth of reading. So what I'm planning right now, tomorrow, well, during the day, later on today, when I wake up, I will start reading this before I get back to tackling the free code camp challenges. So I have had a flick through this, and it seems like this book has got some references to some articles, and maybe there is, like it tell you, this one is a 12-minute read, 11-minute read, 18-minute read, 13-minute read, 25-minute read. So I'll give myself 2 hours. Probably I'll take an hour, read these 5 pages, and then an hour to go into all the upper references that they are referring to. So that ends my night here. It's been a long day for me, and well, I didn't want to miss a day of my training, so boy, it's like let me see what it say on my phone. I can't get the time up there. The time is after 2 in the morning, and I'm not feeling tired, but I have taken in a lot of information, and I don't want to push it too much because a lot of it it's not retaining. I just about know what I've learned today, but I don't actually know it, as in like I command the knowledge that I can like pass it on to others or give good examples, you know. So I know where my weaknesses is in JavaScript, and I admit that I have passed quite different from the training that I mentioned that I've had previously. I have learned quite a few new things that have been missed out from the different training programs that I have taken in the past. So that ends my video for today. So as usual, like if you like, that is if you manage to watch the whole of this recording, and share, like I say, if anybody that you think is worth sharing with, and subscribe to keep up with more videos that I'll release in the future. I'm gonna stay on YouTube, so after this challenge is over, there'll be more content to be released. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next day, tomorrow. Peace.